Hi and welcome to the second part of my $1,000 project car. In this episode we're going to wash the car. To start the video off, I'm going to give you guys a round tour of the vehicle so you can see how extremely dirty it is. I have now had the car for 3 weeks and this will be its first wash in my possession. I start with rinsing the whole car with just water. I'm doing this to get rid of all loose dirt that doesn't need any chemicals to be dissolved. As you can see, there's no repelling effect at all on the paint because it's so dirty and contaminated. Water just sticks to it. This is all the products I'm going to use. It's 3 different cleaners and a ceramic coating spray. I start with the wheels. Here I am covering the rims in wheel cleaner. I will let this sit for about 5 minutes, and meanwhile the wheel cleaner does its job. I'll soak the car in a degreaser. This is a petroleum-based degreaser that will dissolve salt, tar, asphalt and other harsh contaminations. This type of degreaser is a must here in Sweden, especially for cars that are driven during the winter. I will let the degreaser sit for about 5 minutes also. Here I am scrubbing the wheels with 2 different wheel brushes, one for the inside and one for the outside. Rinsing off, we see a huge difference. Now it's time to rinse off the degreaser. I start rinsing from the bottom and working my way up to the top. Make sure to use a lot of water to get rid of all the product. Look at that glorious badge. Here I am using an alkaline degreaser that dissolves biological dirt. This particular degreaser has a wax additive to it, so it will give the paint qualities and also some shine. Like the two other products we applied, this will sit for about 5 minutes as well. And once again I rinse the degreaser off, starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top. Here we can see some shine coming back, which is really nice. Now it's time to shampoo the car, and I'll be using the 2-bucket method. And here I am using way too much shampoo. I wanted to get rid of the bottle, but it's okay in this case. Wow, so strong. I'm just kidding. So the 2-bucket method is a method where you use 2 buckets. One bucket is for rinsing your sponge or whatever you use, and the other bucket is for picking up new clean additive. As you can see here, I use a microfiber towel as a sponge. I learned this from Larry at Ammo New York. I think this is the safest way to clean cars when using shampoo. The idea is that the dirt gets trapped in the long fibers of the towel, and that way it won't do any scratches to the paint. We're now starting to get some shine, seems to clean up pretty well. Here I am feeling if the paint has any iron contaminations left on it, and there are some. So now I will use a clay sponge, which I will show next. A clay sponge is a rather aggressive cleaning method, but is needed when the paint is in bad condition and hard to get clean. The sponge are almost scratching the paint, but it will get really clean and smooth. Just make sure you're lubricating the paint all the time when scrubbing. I am using my shampoo water as lubricant. After the whole car has been shampooed and clayed, I began rinsing the car off, now starting from the top, working my way down. As the final step, I'm adding a ceramic coating in spray format, which is really quick and easy. It also does a great job. It does not give the same effect and durability as a real ceramic coating, but it gives some protection and hydrophobic abilities, which I really want. Like I said, super easy to use, just spray on and rinse off. You can see the product doing its magic instantly. Just look at that water repellency, isn't that beautiful? And finally, we got some real shine going on. After the car has been rinsed with water, I always dry the car with a big drying towel that's made of microfiber. I see this last step as crucial. And there we go, the V70 is all cleaned up. I think it looks great compared to what we started with. It's a huge difference. Still, there are a lot of scratches, dents and other imperfections on the car, but that will be taken care of. Finally, I really want to thank you for watching this episode. I had a great time and I hope you had as well. Next up is an interior detail. See you then. Bye.